Can I eat it? Are they edible? Oh no? Yeah. You sure? It's safe? It's finally the holiday season. What's the best way to entertain in your kitchen? That it's small parties or larger gatherings, the best ways to prepare wisely. So today we'll review some tips to make your parties a great success. Hi, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. As we all know, the party always ends up in the kitchen. So when hosting, you want to make sure to make a festive environment. So dim the lights, have some candles, put on some music, and have some decoration. If you have an island, for sure people will gather around it. So make sure it's free of any clutter, and you can even set up a bar on it. Don't worry, if you don't have an island, you can just set it up on a side table. Finally, to receive well is to eat well, so make sure you plan accordingly. By preparing your food in advance, it will give you a good smell to your house, and also when your guests arrive, it's going to give you more time to spend with them. So if you're the type of person that likes to have some parties at your house, make sure that in your next design for your kitchen, you talk to your kitchen specialist about it. That way you can plan out to have a second sink or even build up a new beverage center. Just remember that the success of any gatherings boils down to the right preparation, setting up the right atmosphere, and keeping it simple. Hopefully this tip was useful. To learn more, visit our E-SPACE. My name is François. Happy holidays.